Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm working on an 03 little Speed Racer PT Cruiser, and here's what we got going on. Almost seems like a clogged exhaust or a fuel issue, but it is not, and I will show you exactly what we have. This is something you can tell someone worked on a long time ago and then just messed it up. But we are actually not in place because of a bolt. One bolt to be exact. Let me get this better. So that camshaft position sensor is probably messed up from that. Let me clean this one off and see if that'll correct the issue, and I'll show you guys what I got. Hold on one second. Alright, so a little bit of cleaning, bolted it up, runs good. No check engine lights for this issue, because the computer's picking it up as an intermittent, so it probably has to trip a whole hell of a lot more times before it actually throw the light on. But if you're doing these cam sensors, make sure you clear the codes out. Make sure you put both the bolts in, and yeah, check us out next time. And as always, keep wrenching, guys.